In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a page in iLovePDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. In the top menu, I want you to click the All PDF Tools. You will see you have different menus, and all I have to do to add a page is click the Organized PDF. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here, wherein you need to select the PDF file that you wanted to add a page, or you can drop the PDFs here if you wanted. And once you've done that, for you to be able to add a new page, all I have to do is simple. Hover your mouse on in between pages of your PDF. You see there is going to be a plus icon which says add a blank page. If you click on it, you will notice that you have added a new blank page, wherein you also have the option to organize by putting the third page on the first one, or you can remove different pages here. But basically, that's how you add another page. But basically, that's how you add a page in iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.